still lucky after all.
Flood warning for the following counties in Florida.
That replaced the flash flood
National
warning.
Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flood warning for urban area and small stream in northwestern Seminole County and east central Florida, south central Volusia County and east central Florida.
Yep,
until
flood
midnight
warning.
Eastern Daylight
Let's
Time.
go.
At 8:29 p.m.
Wish I got the
Eastern Daylight
FFW
Time,
though.
Heavy rainfall in Seminole County has ended, with lingering light to moderate. Rainfall coming to an end by late this evening. However, flooding continues in some areas
You're on the
of
low
Sanford,
side, I
with
need to
numerous
change
roads
that.
closed due to standing water. It will take several hours for flood waters to recede. Between 4 and 6 inches have fallen across the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sanford, Lake Mary, Wekiva Springs, Sanford Airport, Midway, and Etro. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Flood warning. Yes. There you go.
For the following county, Florida.
Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a flood warning for West Central Lake County and East Central Florida until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Out of the way.
Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include
I've been looking for this for almost an hour.
Fruitland Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area.
Why do you say 5?
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Putnam, Florida. The Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a flood warning for South Central Putnam County in northeastern Florida, eastern Marion County in northern Florida, and at 7:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Salt Springs, Fort McCoy, Lynn, Juniper Springs, Lake Delancey, Moss Bluff, Satsuma, Willaca, Burbank, and Hog Valley. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
Bruh.
Turn around. Don't drown.
I gotta open this thing again.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
I don't know why that scared me.
Required weekly tests.
I don't know why that
The
scared me.
was a test of the new weather radio public warning system.
My stroke
Especially
is...
bell receivers are
When
activated by
is
the
my
signal to
stroke?
warn of severe weather
You're
or
back
other
behind
hazards.
there.
Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result
On a low battery and still activated early. Good job, W300.
Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, in Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.